living in an era where technology is changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword. It's reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we live, work, and create. From healthcare to finance and even the movies we watch, AI is the game changer we didn't know we needed. Let's start with one of the most critical sectors, healthcare. AI algorithms are already helping doctors diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy, analyzing medical images, predicting health trends, and even creating personalized treatment plans. What once took months of research, doctors can now accomplish in a matter of hours. But it's not just doctors who benefit, patients do too. AI helps reduce errors, saves time, and provides quicker, more efficient care. In the financial world, AI is revolutionizing everything from fraud detection to algorithmic trading. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI can spot trends and make decisions faster than any human could, whether it's preventing fraudulent transactions or advising clients on investments. AI's predictive capabilities make the financial world smarter, faster, and more secure. In retail, AI is redefining how we shop. Personalized recommendations, chatbots, and smart supply chains are just the beginning. With the help of AI, stores can predict what customers will want before they even know it themselves, creating a seamless, hyper-personalized shopping experience. Transportation is another industry being revolutionized by AI. Autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars are poised to make traffic jams and accidents a thing of the past. AI-powered systems are already guiding delivery drones and self-driving vehicles, cutting down on human error and making transportation safer and more efficient. But what about creativity? One industry where AI is making a huge impact is entertainment, especially film. The process of making movies has traditionally been a highly creative yet time-consuming endeavor. Directors, producers, and actors put in hours of work to bring a story to life. But AI is changing that landscape. AI can now help generate visual effects, predict box office success, and even assist with script writing. Imagine an AI tool that suggests plot ideas or helps with storyboarding. Streamlining the creative process while giving creators more time to focus on the bigger picture. When it comes to animation and special effects, AI is speeding up production in ways we never imagined. AI tools can now generate realistic animations and even add special effects automatically, reducing the time it takes to produce high-quality visuals. This means smaller teams can create blockbuster-level films without the hefty budget. Beyond visual effects, AI is transforming the way filmmakers write, edit, and distribute their films. Editing has never been so fast. AI can now assist with cutting scenes, recommending edits based on the story arc, and even syncing music to emotions. Filmmakers can focus on the vision, while AI takes care of the repetitive tasks. Scriptwriters can use AI to brainstorm new ideas or refine dialogue. With the help of machine learning, AI understands the tone, genre, and even the pacing of a script, offering suggestions to improve the narrative. Once the film is made, getting it into the hands of audiences has always been a challenge. AI is changing how movies are marketed and distributed. AI helps studios understand which demographic will enjoy a movie the most, creating hyper-targeted marketing campaigns. It can even predict the optimal release window based on audience behavior and trends. So, what does the future hold for AI and the film industry? In the coming years, we may see more AI-driven projects, where the lines between human and machine creativity blur. AI may even collaborate with directors to create fully AI-generated films. It's a world where the imagination has no boundaries, and technology unlocks new forms of storytelling. The power of AI is undeniable, and it's only just beginning. Across all industries, we're seeing the transformation unfold. As AI continues to evolve, it will keep pushing the limits of what's possible, changing the way we live, work, and create. Are you ready for the future? The question is not if AI will change industries, but how you will adapt to it.